Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore and welcome in this series of Vision IA. So last time we made a comparison between the inception and the exception. I got a score of 82% with the inception VT for the prediction of this image. Now we will try it today with the InceptionResNet version 2, and we will see if we get a better score. So for now we have three models that are quite that show that the prediction of 80%. So we have the Inception V3, the ImageNet and the NASNet model, and I will remind you that NASNet model shows us a result of 96%. It's the highest score here from all the models that you will see here. And also I want to add that for your project you need to test all the models, and also you need to build your own database. Okay, so let's go and let's start and see how much we get with the InceptionResNet. So I will use the name InceptionResNet V2. Here it will be 299 for the size. Here I will just change ResNet underscore V2, and the same here. It becomes ResNet, sorry, underscore V2 Inception ResNet V2. I hope it's good. Let's see how much we get. Put me in the comments if you have other models that you want me to try and see if it works. Wait. Okay, here I just add the T here. It's false. It's a ResNet. So let's restart again. And like I said before, if you want me to test other models, just put me in the comment. At the end, we got 93%, so it's also quite a good model. Yeah, a little below than the NASNet mobile, but it's quite good. So I think the Inception models are good models to put on use. So this is all for me. Please share the video, like and comment, and see you in the next video. And assalamu alaikum. Thank you guys.